Hey, who goes to? Get up for that place. Who there? Oh yeah, get up there. Come on, take up this man.
Go sit down. Come here.
Give him what they there. My man there. I tell you, they enjoy when we dey for sleep.
Hey, stop.
Suffer. See better, yeah, fine there when this man enjoy. Scorpion.
Yes, sir.
I'm this man.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Man, run on one leg.
Okay.
Hey.
Jesus. Jesus.
In-law, get it.
I don't marry again, no.
What happened?
I don't marry again, Ogo.
Calm down. Explain to me.
Tell us now. We're all ears.
Ogo, if I tell you what happened, Ogo, even you said you know this stand for you.
In-law, calm down. You're just beating around the bush. But I have my call and listen to.
Ogo, day for yesterday, in the night.
We dey house. Me and Chidi did sleep. After our night enjoyment, we first sleep. When it's around 2.
Now I hear,
However, now.
my dog come up. Come say nothing.
I'm telling you.
Hey, man.
I'm a member now. My daughter.
They don't with us.
Okay.
We are okay. But that is not the problem.
So
What is the problem?
What I had in my bed, top of my bed, is bigger than I.
In-law, calm down.
The sound I hear from my bed is. That is, do it very well though. Do it hide down. My husband cannot do this. My husband cannot do like this. My husband cannot do that. Try to raise up my head. Damn, the other thing don't like me.
Hey! Alright, man. Hey! Ilo.
Alaji, the deed has been done. We are here to settle it. But don't worry, we'll iron it everything out. We'll settle it, don't worry. You understand?
We are working down on the island. You know, nobody here, no more broken. Obrogi, Magani, Obrogi, you do.
So here, the busy here, I will joke.
You know, cook, you know, Obrogi, if now you the feet. Far up, Oyaro. Oyaro. Come on, you go to go working. You just like to work good. Huh? You go to go working. I brought back by
Hey! Take your bag inside.
brought back by me.
You will land it up.
We have heard what you said, you know. Sit down and follow us drink, you know. We can settle this amicably. Huh? I na-ekwu n'okwu ihe a na-ekwu ihe abụ okwu nwaanyị. Okwu nwaanyị, okwu ụmụ nwaanyị ọ nwekwanụ ka esi esi ya. Ọ na ọ bụrụ ya? Ọ dịka amụkwanụ m na-abịa. Amaka egbu ka ofe ọkwụrụ ọgọ. Na jidenụ ka mkpọpụ mmanya isi.